I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is FluentCRM. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a contact is Create. You can choose as you want. Click Next. Search and select the action SureMembers. Connect to SureMembers. SureMembers connected successfully. Next. Choose a task. Map the respective field. Under the action, choose a group. Here's the advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to FluentCRM dashboard. Go to the Contact module. Click on Add Contact. Type some information and create contact. Create contact. Contact added successfully. Under the Bid Apps Access group, click on the users. Here you can see that a user successfully added on the SureMembers Access group. Thanks for watching.